Okay, explain all that again. What are we gonna do?
We're gonna go to Big Bear and cool down because it's hot. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? We out in Palm Springs, SCMM 2019. It's hot. We're going for a little ride. We got Mr. KSIX, Tim Kreitz in the house, AdamNDJ, and his friend Cliff. So
you get the name right.
I got the name right. Anyways, we're about to go to Big Bear. We're going to go for a little ride, try to cool down, have some fun. So let's go. All right, guys. So as you can see, here's the entrance to Big Bear. Again, we got everyone in the back. We're going to go have some fun. And hopefully, as we go up this mountain, we cool the fuck down.
Yeah, let's hope that happens.
I can guarantee it.
I guarantee.
I do declare. Look at that.
I know.
Beautiful.
Nature.
Nature, bitch.
Nature, bitch. Look at nature. What's going on here?
Whoa.
Wow. Oh.
Yeah. That's fucking beautiful. How's that?
So green up here and so dusty down there.
It's beautiful, huh? That road's so fun.
Yeah, it is. So much traffic though.
That's what I was saying. Like, we're just stuck behind cars. What are you gonna do?
What are you gonna do? Just enjoy them?
Yeah, that's exactly. I was like, I'm just gonna enjoy this. I figured stop and admire the view real quick,
Oh yeah.
and then finish, get up to Lake Arrowhead where it's cooling down.
Yeah.
Still a little warm, surprising.
Yeah, we're feeling good. I felt that first little blast of cool air. I'm gonna turn off back down the mountain where we went left, keep going up. Oh, there's the first little inkling of a temper.
I should have just fucking parked that.
What are you doing, Kenny?
Hey, man. Hey. What's up, man?
Kenny forgot how to park. What are you doing?
Shut up. I forgot what I did last time.
This is my first motorcycle parking since I can remember. Probably the last time I was in California. They just don't have it in Texas.
Oh, yeah?
Not in our part of Texas.
And you wouldn't even know it's here because it's like you think you can't come through. You're like, All right, guys, so we up here, Tim, we got Kenny, AdamNDJ, Cliff over here, right? Yep. Made it up to Big Bear, or no, Lake Arrowhead. Nice and cool. Some beer.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. That's so good.
That. I'm speechless. I'm so filled with happiness.
Yeah, it's joy. I think that's joy you feel.
Yeah. That's what that is. Joy. Joy. I've never felt it before.
Life is good, my friend.
So infrequently.
That was some good beer, Tim. Good beer.
Indeed, it was.
Let's go exploring.
Beer always tastes better when you're people you care about.
I agree.
Of course, it tastes good anyway.
What needs to happen? Hot sauce?
Yeah.
I'm not eating no hot sauce.
Why not?
Because I don't want to shit myself.
Who said you're gonna shoot yourself?
If I eat hot sauce, I'm going to shit myself. Oh, sorry.
You know what's the most awkward thing about this?
Yeah.
All of us have GoPros.
Yeah, this isn't weird at all.
Hey, man.
Did you forget something, Kenny?
That's weird.
It is a little weird.
It is very much agree. We're weird
No, you
people.
guys are making a YouTube video.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
No, mine's gonna be one epic episode.
He wants to be a
We
star.
got you on there.
He wants to be a star.
I'll make you famous.
I'm gonna be a big, bright, shining star.
I'm a star. Big bright shining.
I got a big, I got a bigger stick though.
You got weird.
Oh yeah, you do have a bigger stick. Get out of here.
So we're all just walking, GoProing, doing stuff and things.
Doing all kinds
It's
of
not
shit.
awkward at all. Will you not smash my helmet,
Will
sir?
you not smash my helmet?
You're gonna walk like this? This is
We are gonna walk like this. We're walking like
the most awkward thing in the world. It's just
Every time I watch your videos on YouTube, I never think about how stupid you look on
Yeah.
that gimbal.
yeah, no, it's
Like everybody's staring at you right now.
yeah, no, it looks really
Like,
dumb.
What is that idiot doing? And then they're looking at me going, there's a guy with a camera being followed by
Another guy with a camera, with another guy with a camera. Yeah. You know, every time we go eat, me and Sub D, and we're like filming our food, and the waitresses are looking. It's like one of the things where we're like, man, why are we doing this? This is so
Yeah.
stupid. We look like idiots, but hey, you know what?
Hey,
In the end of the day, it's the awkward shots that make the best shots.
that's
You
true.
never really think about that when you're watching the video again.
Yeah, no, you don't think about how awkward it is walking around talking to yourself.
You're just like, oh, that's a good shot.
Yeah,
But it looks like this from this side.
yeah, yeah. All right, who's getting on the carousel? What do you guys got to get on the carousel?
They got a race car.
Sounds like a job for Adam to me.
Yeah, I voluntold Adam. He's used to being told. Well, now you're on the now you're on a permanent vacation. I don't know.
Oh, look at the little go-kart track. That's super duper.
Did we lose Kenny?
No, he's right there. We're all here.
You don't want to race?
Remember what happened last time?
Yeah, you lost to a little girl. I remember that. I remember that. You lost to a little girl, and her dad made fun of you.
It's one of Kenny's
Her dad
finest
was like, "You lost to a girl.
We're not talking about the girl, though. We're talking about you.
You lost." We can look at the record, sir.
But she was a savant at the game.
I lost. I mean, to be fair, like my daughter, she knows about lines. She does the inside, outside, outside. Man, this place is crazy. There is a big ass lake in the middle of the mountains.
At the top of the mountain.
Fish. Yeah, look at that fish.
Yeah, the fish are following the duck hungrily.
Yeah, they're looking for food. They're like, I know people throw food at ducks, so we're gonna follow the fish or the duck.
Okay, that's pretty epic. Those are mallards.
Mallards, yeah.
Yeah.
I love ducks.
We don't have a lot of duck hunting in Texas, but we have a lot of drakes and mallards. I guess they must be pretty common.
There's the geese, right? Those are geese.
Yeah, over there. Now, let me tell you something about geese.
those are geese, huh?
Geese are dicks.
They are assholes.
There is no good goose on this world.
no good goose.
A cooked one?
A cooked one, yeah, for Christmas or
Goose died in
Thanksgiving.
a goose died in an airplane.
He did.
The only good goose.
Now we get to see Goose too, his son.
I can't wait. Did you see that trailer? I was like, oh my
did.
god, I can't wait.
I know, man. It's a guilty pleasure. I know it's going to be a stupid movie, but
I
the
think it'll
first
be
one was
good. I
stupid.
love Tom. I had to hate. I'm not Top. I love Top Gun. Like Top
Yeah.
Gun was my jam. I could watch that over and over again.
Oh yeah.
Do they rent these boats out here? How much are these boats?
That little teaser.
Dude, I bet if we all pitch in, it'd be like $10 a pop.
In the beginning.
We can go out on the boat. That might be kind of cool.
Put the weighted stuff on this box. This
Oh,
one is
sure.
not strong. You know,
Sure.
stay off, danger.
Yeah.
But who
Oh shit!
No problem.
I totally didn't see
What
that.
is it? Oh, because it's not marked. Very,
Yeah, it's not very bright.
Yeah, it's not marked very noticeably.
Oh, I thought they meant people stay off. You know, like
I believe you have received
100 gram
the
helmet.
passive-aggressive smart-ass warning to stay off the
I
fucking box.
I believe
Stay
so.
off the fucking box, all right?
Apparently, they think that people are gonna like
I'm
see
pretty
this.
sure that this type of signage does not meet OSHA regulations. So she can suck it.
Yeah, I agree with you.
guarantee you that it doesn't. I just took that class.
All right, guys. So we finished up here. We got a couple drinks. I think you should get us lost.
Okay. Believe me, that will be no problem.
All right, so we're gonna go follow Tim with no GPS and get lost up here. Yeah. Hello?
Yeah. Hello.
You hear me? All right. So we got Adam and DJ now. We're all hooked up. We got Kenny, and I think we're good.
Wow, Sena actually works.
And I'm recording, and I got a full battery. Except Kenny needs gas. Kenny, why do you always need gas, Kenny?
Why are you always trying to make me feel bad because I need gas all the time?
Because I have to.
Good friends do.
That's what good friends do.
They make fun of your disabilities.
Yeah. Your disabilities. Oh, and we're knocking cones. We're just knocking cones over. I don't think
why'd you kick it over there, man? Thanks for fucking moving it.
I was trying to get it to come back up.
Well, you made it worse.
Hey, I got it out of your way. I can see it was out of your way, sir.
That's all right. I hit it with my leg. And I tell you what, if those houses weren't $4 to $6 million, I could see myself living up there.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful up here, right? Especially like if you could just work up here, work from home, and like never have to leave. Get a dirt bike, you got your bike for trails, and you got a nice street bike. You got everything. And
snowmobile for when you can't fucking see.
Yeah.
Get one of those snow kits for the dirt bike.
That's when I buy a boat.
In the snow time? When it's snowing?
No. Well, living up here. Let's go find a bear. I want to play with a bear.
Gotta see a bear.
That's probably a bad idea.
Shit my pants.
You play with a bear, but you don't want a bear to play with you.
Exactly.
They don't drink Coca-Cola and nuggle with you. They eat your ass.
What did that T-shirt say that fucking Adam showed us? It was go outside, the worst thing that happens, you get eaten by a bear, right?
Oh yeah. What'd you say was
Go outside. What's the worst that could happen? You get eaten by a bear?
Yeah. Dude, it's so crazy riding with you out here, man. It's so crazy.
It's like a little miniature dream come true.
Yeah.
It's so crazy.
It's so crazy. Look at them views.
Taking them view ropes. How the hell does the lake end up in the middle of the mountain?
This is probably a natural lake, I'd imagine.
Oh, yeah.
Alright guys, well, we're going to stop for a little snack and then take off, head back down the mountain on our way to Palm Springs. We'll be back. There are definitely bodies out here. There are bodies out here, for sure.
This reminds me of a scene from Casino.
Yeah.
They're probably not very far either off the road.
There you go. I want to see him do a wheelie there.
All right, I'm going.
God damn it, Kenny.
I guess that's not there. Holy shit, that was scary.
Alright guys, so we've had a fantastic day. We're headed back to the hotel. Of course, AdamNDJ, Tim Kreitz, KSIX, and Cliff in the back. Such an amazing day. So much fun. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that little subscribe button. If you guys enjoyed the video, this could be you. You could be out here. You could be out hanging out with us. So next year, get on your bike, get in your car, get in the plane, whatever you gotta do, and get your ass out here to SCMM and have some fucking fun. But until next time, whatever time you guys are watching this, I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And with that, peace.